Yes, so remember the union budget had announced 30% tax on crypto income and 1% TDS on the transactions. So now what the sources are telling us that first of all, there were representations to reconsider the 1% TDS, which the finance ministry has discussed, and sources are telling us that they have rejected the proposal. Also, what the sources are telling us that there are some representations to exempt certain sectors from this 30% crypto income tax plus the 1% TDS, which finance ministry is considering it. Now what the sources are also telling us that they are likely to exempt hospitals which use blockchain technology in their services. So this is one major news that is coming and can give a big relief to the healthcare sector, as hospitals might be excluded from this, might be given an exemption from this 30% tax of crypto income plus the 1% TDS. Also remember the digital cards that the banks give on which reward points are earned, they also come under the category of virtual digital assets, as well as the flight points that customers get. They also come under this definition of virtual digital assets, and prima facie both of these are supposed to be taxed under this. So now what the sources are telling us that later this month government is likely to issue a notification to exempt these categories from this crypto tax. So now what the sources are telling us that this healthcare services plus the digital cards on which we earn the reward points plus the flight miles that are added, all of these three categories are likely to be exempted from this crypto tax. But what the sources are telling us that the government does not want to rush, as it wants to ensure that such exemptions are not misused by the people. So that is why they are taking their time, they are holding the discussions, but the notifications is expected to come in this month itself. That is what the sources are confirming to us.